Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you today? Fine, good. What else? Who feels excited today? Raise your hand. Okay. Who feels fine today? Raise your hand. Okay. Who feels okay today? Okay. Who feels sleepy today? Anyone? Do you feel sleepy? No? Okay, that's good. Who feels sick today? Anyone? No? Okay, so that's great. Okay, so before we start our lesson today, Isan, please let us for prayers.
My friend, before we start our lesson today, let's go with pray. Pray start.
Okay, thank you, Isan. Okay, so who is absent today? Who is absent today? Who didn't come to the class today? Okay. How many students absent today? Berapa orang temannya? 2? Okay, what happened to your friends? Kenapa dia? Sakit? Okay, nggak ada kabar. Okay. 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 Okay, so before we go into our main activity, I would like to ask you something. What did you do yesterday? Anyone? Do you want to share? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I play game and study.
Okay, you played game and studied. Okay, how about you? What did you do yesterday?
Play game.
So you played game? So you didn't come to your school? Okay, did you guys go to school yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you something about your school. Okay? What did you do at your school yesterday?
Studied.
Studied. Okay. What is the subject that you have?
Math.
Math? Okay, after math, what did you have after math? Setelah math,
Apa ya?
what subject did you have? Kamu ada pelajaran apa ya?
IPA apa ya?
What?
IPA tuh apa ya?
Okay, it's science.
Iya,
Okay,
iya,
science. Remember, IPA itu science. Okay, after science, what did you do?
Yes.
Yeah, after science, what did you do?
IPS.
IPS. Okay, IPS it's a social studies. Okay? Okay. At last, okay, before you go home, what did you do? Sebelum pulang sekolah, apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin?
Apa ya?
Hmm?
Beli.
Hah?
Beli.
Okay, so you bought some food. Okay, how about you? What did you do before you go home yesterday?
Apa ya bahasa Inggris?
What? Did you play it with your friends?
Ya.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's it?
Dan pergi beli beberapa makanan.
Okay, so you bought some food. Okay, before you go home. Okay, so do you know guys what I have asked you before? So it's a recount text. Nah, itulah bentuk recount text. Yang pertama apa tadi? Siapa pelakunya? Who is the person? You, right? Or I. Okay. And then the first things, what did you do at your school? Apa kemarin? You studied. And then the second thing, you have your math class. And then after that, you have your science class. And then after that again, you have your social studies class. And then after that, before you go home, lastly, before you go home, you what? You bought some food. Oke, that's it. Sudah selesai. That's a recount text. Itu cara kita menceritakan. Jadi ada openingnya, kemudian ada kejadian-kejadiannya, urutannya, kemudian apa? Lastly, the closing. And then the last one, sebelum activity-nya, we would like to ask about the feelings. Untuk penutupnya, biasanya selain kegiatan terakhirnya, kita juga menanyakan tentang feelings-nya. Okay, what did you feel yesterday after your class?
Very happy.
Okay, very happy. Okay, sudah. That's a recount text. Okay. So so that's our objective of learning for today. Jadi today we still going to discuss about the recount text, but more details. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar lagi tentang recount text, tapi lebih detail lagi. Yang kita akan bahas adalah tentang details. Details itu ya details apa saja, siapa, who, when, kapan, where, di mana, and then what's the events. Apa aja sih kegiatannya di situ? And then penutupnya apa? Penutupnya apa tadi? Feelings bisa. Oke, I feel tired but I'm happy. Itu contoh dari penutupnya. Oke, so far do you have any question? No? Okay, is it clear? Clear? Okay, very good. Okay, next. Okay, do you still remember our quotes? What is our quotes? We what? We listen and then we care and then we learn and we don't judge. One more time. We listen, we care, we learn, and we don't judge. Okay, so are you ready to learn today? Yes. Okay, so today, the first things that what you have to do, we will going to watch some video. Okay, the model is one of your friends in this classroom. Okay. And then the next activity would be the typhoon game. Okay, are you ready? Okay, and then the last activity would be the evaluation. Okay, let's start. So,
My vacation to Tarakan City. Last holiday, my parents took
okay, do you recognize the voice? Ada nggak yang tahu itu suara siapa? Yeah, it is one of your friends in this classroom. Okay? So, jadi Miss mau, you have to take a look at the video and then I have the text over here. Okay? Jadi bisa sambil mengidentifikasi. And then bisa buat cekeran, Bisa buat cekeran. Ada siapa di situ, oke? Kemudian kejadian ataupun eventnya. Yang pertama itu apa? Because some of the words are not in the right pronunciation. Jadi ada beberapa kata yang masih salah penyebutannya, but it's okay. I'm proud of your friends. Oke? Teks ini dia sama dengan yang ada di video. Oke? Karena bisa jadi di teman kalian ada yang, ya apa ya, dia ngomong apa ya? Oke? Jadi bisa disimak. Okay, we have 15 minutes for this activity, okay? Okay. Identifikasi, okay? Ada siapa di situ, and then kejadian yang pertama dia kemana sih? Kayak gitu.
me to Tarakan, a small city. My vacation to Tarakan City. Last holiday, my parents took me to Tarakan, a small city in North Kalimantan. At first, I didn't expect much, but it turned out to be a great adventure. We flew from Surabaya to Tarakan and arrived in the afternoon. The first thing I noticed was the fresh air and the friendly locals. We stayed at a hotel near the seaport. The next morning, we visited the mangrove center. We walked on a wooden bridge surrounded by tall mangrove trees. Our guide told us that Tarakan mangroves are home the province's monkey. The local called it as pekatan. We were lucky to see them jumping between trees. In the afternoon, we went to Kampung Arab village. The colorful houses and delicious martabak Tarakan at 6 started package made me feel like I was in another country. On the second day, we took a boat to Amak Beach. The weather was cold, and we swam out there. My dad then started fishing with local fishermen. Before leaving, we booked 3 pick-up fish crackers. As Zombie, Tarakan may not be as famous as Bali, but its nature and food made it special.
Okay. Okay. So, what do you think about the video? Who is in the video? Do you know who is he? Do you know who is he? Siapa itu yang di video tuh? Siapa dia? Yes, it's Esan. Okay. Okay, and then when? Kapan? Kapan? Kapan terjadi? Coba dilihat, ada di teksnya. Kapan? Okay, anyone? Last?
Holiday.
Last holiday. Okay. And then where? Where? Kemana dia liburan? Where?
Tarakan
Oke, Tarakan
City.
City. Oke, let's take a look at the first event. Kegiatan ataupun kejadian. Oke. The first one. Do you know what is it? Apa yang terjadi? The first event.
Sorry, Miss.
Hmm.
Apanya yang terjadi nih, Miss? Tentang apanya?
Hah?
Tentang apa yang terjadi?
Apa yang terjadi sama si Isan? The first event. Do you know what is it? The first event?
Aduh. Mana tadi ya? Oh iya.
Okay, I give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes to discuss. Boleh? Miss kasih waktu 3 menit untuk kalian diskusikan sama temannya. Oke? Oke? Oke. And then after that, I'm going to ask you the question. Oke? Boleh. Oke? Kalian boleh tandain, kalian mau buat notes. Nah, ini gunanya itu untuk buat notes. Oke? Untuk diskusi kalian. Oke? Okay, if you have any question, let me know. Kalau ada pertanyaan, kasih tahu, Miss. Oh ya, you can check the dictionary. Ambil kamusnya. Or you can ask me. Kalian juga boleh tanya saya, Miss, kalau kayak gini bener nggak? Kayak gitu, oke? Okay, discuss it with your friends. Do you have any question? No? Okay. Do you have any question? No? Do you have any question? No? Ada pertanyaan? No. Okay, discuss with your friends. Any question, everyone? Okay. Your? Okay, finish? Sudah diskusinya? Do you need more time? Butuh waktunya lagi? Butuh waktu lebih banyak lagi? Okay, how many? 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Okay, 3 minutes. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, don't forget to discuss it with your friends. Contohnya, oh satu orang temannya udah paham, kasih tahu, kalau yang ini kayak gini. Oke? Because you are teamwork. Nanti gamenya tuh teamwork loh. Oke? Do you have any question? No? How about you? Do you have any questions? Enggak apa-apa. Yes. Kalian, oke. Kalian mau coret di sini dulu, it's okay. Oke? Mau coret di sini dulu, it's okay. Kayak belum mau ditulis di sini, yang penting itu Miss mau kalian paham dulu. Oke? Cara menentukan orientation, event, kemudian reorientation-nya itu seperti apa. Oke? Pahami dulu. Oke? Contohnya, kamu bilang, kalau yang ini first event-nya itu seperti ini, kayak gitu. Dia tuh selalu kayak gini, oke? Ditandain dengan kata seperti ini. Nah, biasanya kata-kata kunci yang menandakan contoh dia orientation, orientation itu berarti apa? berarti pembuka, kalimat pembukanya. Biasa yang dibahas di sini apa? Siapa? Who, and then where, di mana? Kemudian when, kapan? Kemudian kalau untuk eventsnya, kejadiannya ataupun kegiatannya, dia bisa 2, bisa juga 3. Di sini kamu bisa untuk yang bagian sini itu kamu bisa ganti sebenarnya. Bukan hanya menggunakan secondly. Kamu bisa pakai after that. Oke? Nah, yang bagian sini dia termasuk event. Kejadian pertama, kedua, ketiga. Lastly, ini bagian apa? Reorientation. Apa isinya kalau reorientationnya? Sedikit conclusionnya, oke? Sama feeling. Yes. Oke? Dari teks itu, orientationnya who? Siapa di situ? Siapa? Ihsan. Where? Dia kemana? Tarakan. When? Last holiday. Liburan yang lalu. Kemudian eventnya. Yang pertama dia ngapain? Si Ihsan. Kenapa? Yang pertama dia ngapain? Si Ihsan yang pertama dia ngapain? Kenapa dia? Dia ngapain si Ihsan yang pertama?
Itu event pertama kan?
Yes.
They visited the mangrove center.
Okay, they visit the mangrove center. Very good. Kemudian kejadian yang kedua, apa yang dia lakukan si Ihsan?
Ini Bu.
Yes, dia kemana?
We went to Kampung Arab.
Very good. Dia went to Kampung Arab. Dia pergi ke Kampung Arab. Kemudian dia setelah itu kemana?
Danis.
Setelah itu kemana? Setelah itu kemana dia? Setelah Kampung Arab dia kemana? Kemana dia?
Amal Beach.
Ya, saya ikutin Miss. He went to Amal Beach. Very good. Oke, nah itu dia. Dapat sudah kan poinnya? Kemudian yang terakhir, dia ngapain? Penutupnya dia ngapain?
Ya.
Kenapa dia? Dia ngapain? Betul. Kenapa?
Dia makan amplang.
No, he didn't eat amplang. He bought amplang. Dia beli amplang. Oke, sebagai apa? Souvenir. Oke, sudah selesai ceritanya si Ihsan. Oke, Miss ada sedikit pertanyaan untuk teks yang ini, si Ihsan ini. Oke, let's try. Oke. Oke. Ini Miss bebaskan siapa yang mau coba. Oke, silakan maju. Oke, 5 kelompok kan? Oke, 5 kelompok. Kelompok pertama perwakilan. Contohnya, this one. Baca jawabannya apa? We went to, kayak gitu. Oke, silakan maju dan tunjuk. Come on, faster. Ayo, untuk yang bisa, oke, di sini saya ada yang bisa. Nanti dia kelompoknya, nilai pertamanya itu akan dapat 100 sebelum Typhoon Games. Oke, silakan Ataya. Yes. Nah, which one?
Tunggu.
This picture is, okay? Okay. Which one? Okay, what is that?
We visit the mangrove center.
Okay, very good. Is it? We visit the mangrove center. Okay. Okay, let's keep the answer. Okay, next.
Apa ini?
Okay, choose it. Which one? Kamu mau yang mana?
Ini.
Okay.
We went to Amal Beach.
Okay, very good. We went to Amal Beach. Okay, the next one, next group. Come on. Which one? Okay, which one?
We saw the Bekantan.
Okay, which one is the picture? Okay, very good. We saw the Bekantan. Okay, the next group.
Ini sini.
Okay, what is that?
We visited Kampung Arab.
Okay, we visit. Okay. Okay, the last one is. Okay, kelompok yang mana belum? Okay. It's okay. This is the exercise. Nanti.
Baca.
Yes.
We ate martabak. The kelihatan. The chicks,
Stop.
stuff,
And
pancake.
oke. Oke. Kita lihat jawabannya bersama. Apakah benar? Oke, semuanya benar. Oke, berarti sudah paham ya. Oke, kalau gitu, are you ready for the Typhoon game? Are you ready for the Typhoon game? Oke. Jadi untuk Typhoon game, oke. So we have the rules. Any question about this? Ada pertanyaan tentang yang tadi? Bagaimana kita menentukan eventnya, kejadiannya, orientation, reorientation? Nothing? Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay, so this is the rules. Okay. Lihat baik-baik rules-nya, jangan sampai salah. Okay. Okay, how to play. Okay, how to play. Coba bisa baca? Siapa yang bisa baca? Oh my god, ini salah gunting. Maafkan saya. Oh, scoring rules. Mana dia? Saya nggak lihat. Ini sama. Oke, siapa yang dapat anunya? How to play. Masalah hal yang sama. Oh iya, ini dapat. Oke, dapat ya. Nah, how to play. Oke, kelompok yang lain, pas. How to play. Oke, this is the scoring. Mari deh. Oh, ada yang pas, ada yang nggak pas nih. Oke. You guys pas. Oke, jadi ada scoring rules sama ada how to play. Oke, the scoring rules. Oke. Kalau di sini nanti kalian tarik dapatnya Typhoon, berarti nilai kalian hangus. Contoh lah, kelompok 1 udah dapat 500. Kalau dia dapat Typhoon, berarti hangus. Kalau dapat steal itu apa? Curi. Oke. Tapi kamu boleh ambil satu angka saja. Contohnya kelompok 1 dapat dia steal. Nah, kelompok 5 ada nilainya yang 500. Kalian bilang, I want to steal the 500 from group 5. Oke, kayak gitu. Kemudian swap. Swap itu bertukar. Contoh kelompok 4 dia dapat 100. Kemudian kelompok ini dia sudah dapat 500. Kelompok 4 dia dapat yang swap nih. Dia bilang, saya mau tukar sama kelompok 2. Oke. Jadi ada 2. Your luckiness and your smartness. And then double your teams. Kalau double your teams, contohnya kelompok 3, dia sudah dapat 300, di double berarti dia nilai selanjutnya adalah 600. Oke? That's the scoring rules. Kemudian untuk how to play. Coba yang pertama silakan dibaca bareng-bareng. 1. Apa? Kasih besar suaranya. 1, what is that? Work on team. 2, watch the video and listen to the audio. Discuss the details and event with your team. Okay? Choose the question box on the word wall. Oke, jadi yang pertama ingat kerja kelompok. Yang kedua adalah kalian akan nonton video. Jadi ada 2 nih. Video tadi si Isan dan ada satu lagi videonya. Oke? Sambil kalian nonton, ingat kalian boleh write the details, oke? Kalian boleh buat cekeran detailsnya apa ya, kayak gitu, oke? Kemudian apa ya yang dia lakukan, oke? Kemudian Miss akan kasih waktu 2 menit untuk discuss sama timmu. Kemudian kita akan mulai gamenya, oke? Gimana cara mainnya? Masing-masing nanti ada perwakilannya, oke? Perwakilannya nggak boleh sama terus, oke? Harus berbeda-beda. Contohnya nanti akan berdiri di sini 5 orang, oke? Untuk pertanyaan yang pertama, oke? Dia bisa ke depan. Contoh dia mau pilih soal nomor 1, Teng. Dia bisa jawab atau enggak? Kalau dia nggak bisa jawab, berarti dia nggak boleh tarik scoringnya. Apa yang terjadi? Kelompok yang di situ harus cepat-cepatan pencet bel untuk mencuri pertanyaannya. Oke? Oke. Oke? Jadi yang 4 orang di sini akan merebut pertanyaan itu dan punya kesempatan untuk ambil scoring. Oke? Oke? Oke, kita nonton dulu videonya, oke? Ingat. Tulis detailsnya. Are you ready? Okay, one more time I would like to ask you, are you already sit in your groups based on what I told you yesterday? Ya? Sudah duduk di kelompoknya masing-masing yang Miss bagikan? Okay, good. Okay. Focus everyone.
My vacation to Tarakan City. Last holiday, my parents took me to Tarakan, a small city in North Kalimantan. At first, I didn't expect much, but it turned out to be a great adventure. We flew from Surabaya to Tarakan and arrived in the afternoon. The first thing I noticed was the fresh air and the friendly locals. We stayed at a hotel near the seaport. The next morning, we visited the mangrove center. We walked on a wooden bridge surrounded by tall mangrove trees. Our guide told us that Tarakan mangroves are home the province's monkey. The local called it as pekantan. We were lucky to see them jumping between trees. In the afternoon, we went to Kampung Arab village. The colorful houses and delicious martabak Tarakan at 6 starter package made me feel like I was in another country. On the second day, we took a boat to Amok Beach. The weather was calm, and we swam out there. My dad had started fishing with local fishermen. Before leaving, we both picked up fish crackers at souvenir. Tarakan may not be as famous as Bali, but its nature and food made it special.
Okay, next video, okay? This one yang Miss nggak kasih teksnya sama kalian, so you have to be focused. Ada suara.
I'm Amira and I'm 9 years old. I'm going to share about my vacation to Derawan Island.
Ah.
2 months ago, I visited Derawan Island in East Kalimantan with my
Why?
cousins, brother, and my parents. It was a dream come true because I love snorkeling and swimming. We took a small plane from Balikpapan to Tanjung Redep, then a speedboat to Derawan. The boat ride was bumpy but fun. When we arrived, the water was so clear I could see fish swimming near the dock. We stayed in a wooden cottage right on the beach. On the first day, we snorkeled near the jetty. There were giant sea turtles everywhere. I swam close to one and it didn't even mind me. The next day, we went to Kakabat Island to see the famous jellyfish whale, but suddenly it was rainy, so I just stayed on the boat. I felt sad, but at least I can see the jellyfish from the boat. After that, we visited Samaraki Island to spot manta rays, and it was beautiful and magical. At night, we ate grilled seafood under the stars. The squid was the freshest I've ever tasted. On the last day, we watched the sunrise before heading back. Derawan was like a postcard with perfect beaches, blue water, and amazing marine life. What a wonderful experience! Bye!
Oke, one more time. Ingat ya, tulis detailsnya. Jangan kalian nonton aja kasihkan, oke? Ingat, tulis detailsnya.
I'm Amira and I'm 9 years old. I'm going to share about my vacation to Derawan Island. 2 months ago, I visited Derawan Island in East Kalimantan with my
You
cousin.
can write it over
brother,
here.
and my
Boleh pakai yang
parents.
ini, tulis
It
aja.
was a dream come true because I love snorkeling and swimming. We took a small plane from Balikpapan to Tanjung Redep, then a
Discuss.
speedboat to Derawan. The boat ride was bumpy but fun. When we arrived, the water was so clear I could see fish swimming near the dock. We stayed in a wooden cottage right on the beach. On the first day, we snorkeled near the jetty. There were giant sea turtles everywhere. I swam close to one and it didn't even mind me. The next day, we went to Kakabat Island to see the famous jellyfish whale, but suddenly it was rainy, so I just stayed on the boat. I felt sad, but at least I can see the jellyfish from the boat. After that, we visited Samaraki Island to spot manta rays, and it was beautiful and magical. At night, we ate grilled seafood under the stars. The squid was the freshest I've ever tasted. On the last day, we watched the sunrise before heading back. Derawan was like a postcard with perfect beaches, blue water, and amazing marine life. What a wonderful experience! Bye!
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
أعوذ بالله
Nice. Okay, are you ready? Oke, silakan perwakilan kelompoknya. Oke, we're going to play this game for 15 minutes. Oke, 15 menit kita akan memainkan permainan ini. Oke? Or do you need time to discuss it with your friends? Perlu waktu nggak untuk berdiskusi? Oke, I give you 2 minutes. Oke? Okay, have you done? Are you ready? Okay, silakan perwakilan kelompok. Come on, faster. 5. Ingat, Miss akan hitung, oke? Ada waktunya. Kalau perwakilannya nggak muncul-muncul, berarti tidak ada kesempatannya. Oke? 5, 4, 3, 2, no, 1. Oke, ini siapa? Oke. Oke. Oke, let's start from group apa ya? Sweet kah? Sweet, ayo sweet lah dulu. Ya. Oh ya. Home Mimpa. Sweet. Oke, Isan number 1 berarti. Fatur number 2. Maksudnya yang pertama milih Isan. Kalau Isan nggak bisa berarti kita lempar, oke? Oke, Fatur nomor. Oke, yang 3 lagi. Home Bimpa lah, yang ketiga, yang 3 orang. Oke, ketiga sweet. Oke, keempat dan kelima. Oke, let's start from Isan. Isan, please choose your number. Choose. Which one? Number 3. Okay. The question is where? Come on, faster. 5, 4. Read the question first. Baca dulu pertanyaannya apa?
Where they stay during the vacation in Derawan?
Where were they stay during the vacation? 5, 4.
Balikpapan.
No. Okay. 5, 4. Silakan. Iya. Yeah, okay. He got it wrong. Okay, it's not Balikpapan. Where were they stay during the vacation? In
Villa.
Is it villa?
Yeah.
What kinds of villa? Villanya jenisnya apa?
Apa ya tadi kemarin?
Okay, no, it's not correct. Okay? Okay, hangus ya. Hanya satu aja kesempatannya. Okay, belum ada ya? Okay. Next. It's not a villa, it's a wooden cottage. Jadi rumah-rumah kayu yang gitu loh. Kalau villa kan rumah gedongan. Oke? Isan, boleh ganti personilnya untuk grabbing, oke? Ganti personilnya untuk mencuri poin. Oke, next. Siapa yang dapat nomor 2 tadi? Oke, Fatur, silakan pilih Fatur. Oke. Touch, sentuh dia. Oke, unscramble the sentence.
Susun.
Yes. Come on, 5, 4.
We studied English in the classroom yesterday.
Okay, very good. Okay, you can choose your point. Tunggu. Okay. Oke ya, jadi starting point untuk semua grup itu adalah 100. Oke, silakan. Faster, come on. Tarik dia. Cepat. Yeah, faster. Okay, what is that? Double. Wow. Dia grup berapa? Grup 5. Is it 5? Okay. Berarti di sini. Okay, very good. Ganti personilnya untuk yang grup 5. Okay, number 3 tadi siapa? Okay. Choose your number. Number 1. Okay.
Amira.
Read the question. What
is the name of the girl and how old is he?
Okay.
Amira. And how old is he? 7 years old.
Okay, is it 7 years old? 7 years old? No, it's not 7 years old. Okay, the name is correct, but it's not. Which one?
Almira.
How old?
9.
Okay, very good. Okay, you can take the score. Okay, ganti personil. Come on, faster. It's typhoon. Okay, it's typhoon. Okay. Grup berapa, Taya? 3, okay. So, typhoon. Okay, next. The next one. Which one do you want? 18? Okay, 18. Okay, unscramble. It's easy. Okay. Faster. 5.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you?
You do yesterday.
Okay, very good. Okay, you can get a score. Faster. Okay, it's what did you get? It's typhoon. Indonesia. Grup berapa? Two. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, Sandy. Okay, Sandy, which one? Tunjuk. Okay. Okay. How did they get to Tarakan? What is the transportation?
Apa bahasa Indonesia?
Transportasinya apa? Bagaimana cara dia pergi ke Tarakan?
Pesawat, pakai pesawat.
Okay, using
Hah?
air?
Airport.
Air?
Airport.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Okay. Not airport. Okay. Airplane. Okay, you can get this. Okay. Okay, faster. Okay, how many score did you get? Is it still? Oh, yeah, come on, Sandy. Okay, 100 point. Group Sandy, group berapa? 4. Okay, group 4. Okay, next. Habis ya personilnya ya. Oke. Ini mana sudah? Sudah ada semua perwakilannya? Oke. Kita mulai dari ya udah kita ikut begini aja. It's okay. You can choose it first. Misalnya gini aja 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oke? Come on. Oke, ini round kedua. Oke, hello. Hello. Hai. Oke, ini hello, ini adalah round 2. Oke? Syakib, which one? Tunjuk dia Syakib. Which one? 27. What? Read. What
souvenir
did they buy? Okay, what souvenir did they buy? Fish? Fish apa? Fish? 5. 4. 3. 2. Hah? Yeah. What? Huh? Okay, no. Fish cracker. Okay, fish cracker. Okay. Yang lengkap, okay? Okay, what did you get? Okay, swap. Which one do you want to swap? Okay, you are group 3. Okay. Oke, jadi grup 3 dia dapat yang swap. Dia maunya swap sama kelompok 5. Oke. Mohon bersabar, ini ujian. Oke, yang ini mana gantinya? Setelah itu siapa lagi? Oke, silakan. Which one? Yes, tunjuk dia. Tunjuk. Which one? 21. Okay.
Where did they go on the first day in Tarakan City?
Okay, where did they go on the first day? Tarakan City.
First day.
5.
Mangrove.
Okay, mangrove. Okay, that's correct. So they went to mangrove. Okay, you can choose it. Okay. Come on. Up to you. Come on, faster. Okay, what did you get? Okay, what is that? Okay, 200. Group? Rehan, grup berapa? Hah? 2, okay. 200. Okay, good job. Next. Hah? Oke, pilih, silakan. Which one? Okay. I couldn't baca.
Yang mana, Bu?
Which one? Okay, hello. Okay, jadi bagian yang ini apakah dia termasuk orientation, complication ini masuk di event, okay, ataupun conclusion? Can you?
Orientation.
Orientation. Bisa what if we grab some spare? No, this is complication. It's not orientation. Ini permasalahan di sini. I couldn't believe how careless people. Okay? Okay. Terus. Which one?
Complication.
Okay, complication. Tadi astaga. Okay, you can choose. Okay. Come on. Did you get the typhoon? What is that? Ooh, group 3. Okay, next. Okay, faster. Okay. You mau number berapa? Faster. Point. Which one? This one? Okay.
Aduh, apa nih, Cok?
Who joined?
Met the trip to Derawan.
Okay, who joined the trip to Derawan?
Apa ya?
Who joined the trip to Derawan? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Cousin and my parents.
Okay, cousin
And
and
my
my
parents.
parents. Okay. Okay. Desi group. Okay. Oke, yang ini yang main sudah nomor berapa tadi? Sudah semua ya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yang tadi Miss tunjuk yang pertama. Round 2 sudah selesai ya? Siapa lagi yang belum? You? Oke, this is the last, oke? Oke, silakan pilih. Which one? Oke. Okay, what is the question? What baca deh. What? Baca dulu, baca.
What unique food did they try in Tarakan? Martabak.
Okay, martabak. Good. Okay, take your spot. Okay.
Merah kesukaan.
Oke. Grup berapa? 1. Grup 1. Grup 1. So it's. Oke, silakan duduk. Okay? Dua ratus. Okay, so the winner is group 3. Okay. At the second place, siapa yang di tempat kedua? Group 4. What group 4? Group 5, what happened? Okay. Jadi kalau group 5 tadi ceritanya dia tuh menang duluan, ya kan? Okay, it's okay. So, how do you feel? Gimana perasaannya? Okay. Do you want to play again? Mau main lagi? Mau, okay. But we move to the last session for today. Okay? Okay, so for the last sessions over here, okay, mulai dari kelompok ini dulu. The last session is evaluation. Oke, jadi Miss ada 2 di sini kertas evaluasinya. Ini ceritanya sama kok, teksnya ini sama. Oke, dan di sini ada sudah scoringnya. Jadi ini Miss bebaskan sama kalian, apakah ingin menjawab 1, 2, atau dua-duanya. Kalau dua-duanya, kemungkinan dapat scoring yang lebih banyak itu sudah pasti. Oke? Oke, silakan mulai dari kelompok ini. Silakan diambil evaluation sheet-nya. Semuanya, ya cepat-cepat, faster. We have 15 minutes, 15 menit untuk mengerjakan ini. Silakan. Cepat. Next group, faster. Okay, faster, come on. Faster, ayo lebih cepat. We have 15 minutes. See your friends outside. Okay, cepat. Ambil aja dulu, nanti Miss jelaskan. Yes, faster. Come on, faster. Cepat. Maju aja. Ambil dua-duanya. Oke, semuanya sudah? Oke, we have 15 minutes, remember? Oke. Bagian A, oke, kalian punya sebenarnya, hello. Oke, di situ ada 2 teks. Sebenarnya ada 1 teks, teksnya sama. Oke? Cuman bagian soalnya saja yang berbeda. Bagian E itu seperti biasa, unscramble, susun dia menjadi kalimat yang benar. Bagian B, berdasarkan cerita ini, kalian pilih apakah dia hari pertama kah, dia pergi snorkeling, ataupun hari kedua, bulatin. Bagian ketiga, itu yang seperti tadi. Oke? Oke, I'll give you 15 minutes, you can start. Oke, nanti sebelum keluar silakan dituliskan kesan dan kesannya hari ini apa belajarnya. What do you feel today? Rasanya gimana? Ya, ataupun apa yang sudah kalian pelajari. Oke, boleh ditaruhin situ. Kemudian ditempel di papan. Oke, nanti ini reflectionnya boleh ditulis perasaannya ataupun what did you learn today? Apa yang sudah dipelajari hari ini? Oke, jadi ini boleh ditulis perasaannya sama apa yang sudah dipelajarin hari ini. Oke? Oke, ini boleh ditulis perasaannya sama hari ini belajar apa, kesulitannya apa. Oke? Ini nanti ditulis perasaannya apa, sudah belajar apa, bebas, oke? Ataupun yang masih belum dimengerti apa. Oke, fokus. Yang bagian ini kamu bisa cari nih, kira-kira ada snorkeling hari apa, di hari keberapa, gitu. Tinggal dibulatkan, ya. Ya, dilingkari saja. Oke, come on. 5 minutes left. Yang bagian orientation nggak perlu tulis kalimatnya panjang-panjang. Boleh kok kayak contoh. On the first day we took, nah sampai sini boleh. Oke? Penutupnya apa? Oke, yang bagian ini nggak perlu ditulis kayak yang kayak gini. Miss mau pemahaman kalian aja. Kalian boleh contoh. Event 1, on the first day we took flight to, kayak gitu. Oke? Nggak usah panjang-panjang. Yes? Lingkari. Oke, dilihat di sini dia hari keberapa sih kayak gitu. Bagian ini hanya tulis pendek-pendek saja. Oke? Permulaannya aja, the beginning aja. Sudah? Selesai? My family and I.
Yang pelajaran ketiga dan keempat.
Okay, come on, faster. 5 minutes left. Selesai, nggak selesai, kumpul aja, oke? Okay? Yang kertasnya ini boleh tulis grupnya nanti, oke? Okay? Grup 1, sudah kayak gitu. Nama grup. Dan jangan lupa di evaluation-nya itu tulis namanya masing-masing. Yang ini tulis saja singkat-singkatnya. Event 1, kejadian pertama. Ditandai dengan apa? On the first day, bla 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 bla. Sampai titik udah. Nggak usah panjang-panjang. Oke? Okay? Sudah? Yes? Siapa yang bertanya? Nggak ada? Any question? Rehan, do you understand this? Paham nggak yang ini? Yang ini tinggal cari dia hari keberapa sih di situ? Iya, yang itu susun aja. Kalau yang ini bulatkan harinya, oke? Jangan lupa tulis namanya di kedua-dua lembarnya. Jangan lupa tulis nama. Souvenir oleh-oleh. Siap. Oke, pastikan untuk mengisi yang ini karena scoringnya banyak, 30%. 30, oke? Cepat. 5. It's 4 minutes left. Come on. Oh, 3 minutes. Oke? Kalau sudah selesai, kumpulkan.
Aduh, nama aku udah disakit.
It's okay. Kumpulkan. Oke, yang grup sama yang individual. Oke. Nggak usah, gabung aja. Come on. Oke, 2 minutes left. Faster. Who? Siapa?
Siapa yang di teks ini?
Ya, ada siapa di situ? Yang ini di sebelah dia. Nah, cepat. 2 minutes left. Jawabnya singkat-singkat aja ya, yang ini. Oke, yang sudah silakan mengumpulkan. Tempelkan. Yang sticky notes mau tulis emoticon boleh di dalam pohonnya. Ya, langsung tempel aja. Sudah? Kumpulkan. Kelompokmu punya mana tadi yang ini Ataya? Tulis nama grup aja. Oke? Sini aja. When? Where? Di mana? Ya. When? Kapan? Oke. Jangan lupa di lembar kedua tulis namanya juga. Udah? Ataya, your name. Tulis reflectionnya, mau buat emoticon pun boleh. Terserah mau tulis nama ataupun tidak, it's okay. Ya, kenapa ini? Come on, penutupnya apa? Perasaannya seperti apa dia di situ, di cerita itu? Oke, faster, come on. Oke, sit down. Oke, the time is already up. Oke, waktunya sudah habis. Please submit your evaluation. Kumpulkan evaluasinya. Jangan lupa tulis nama. Come on. Enggak, ini bebasnya. Ini kelompok punya nih. Grup. Oke, faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kumpulkan. Siap, enggak siap, kumpulkan. Jangan lupa tulis nama. Oke? Ini Mbak Isa. Come on, faster. Biarin aja. Duduk dulu. Come on, faster, faster. Jangan diskusi di situ. Kumpulkan. Bebas. Cepat. Kumpulkan dan duduk. Kumpulkan dan duduk. Oke. Oke. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, let's go to the closing. Faster, faster. Ayo, kita mau closing sudah. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Sit down, please. Sit down. Kalau sudah sit down. Okay. Okay, sit down, everyone. Sit down, sit down. Okay, let's do the closing, everyone. Okay, sudah? Silakan duduk dengan tenang. Okay, sudah. Sit down, okay? Sit down. I said sit down, sit down. Okay? Faster, faster. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Okay, so what have you learned today? Hari ini belajar apa? Ada yang bisa menyimpulkan? Siapa? Hari ini belajar apa?
Recount text.
Recount text. And then what else? Apa lagi yang kalian pelajari? Hari ini apa? Belajar apa? Oke? Okay? Hari ini belajar apa? Come on. What have you learned today? Hari ini belajar apa? Ayo. Pakai bahasa Indonesia, it's okay. Belajar apa? Kamu lupa yang kamu pelajari hari ini? Ayo, belajar apa hari ini? Belajar apa, Regina? Apa? Tentang apa tadi?
Tentang recount text.
Recount text. Kemudian apa yang kalian lakukan tadi? Kalian ngapain tadi? Pelajarannya apa? Recount text. Terus tuh activity-nya apa tadi?
Playing.
Ya, playing what? We played what? Typhoon
board.
Typhoon boards. Okay. How do you feel about your lesson today? Gimana perasaannya? Pelajaran hari ini? How do you feel? I feel
good and happy.
Okay, you feel good and happy. Good. Okay, the last conclusion. What you have learned today?
Recount text.
Yeah, recount text. It's about the details and events. Okay? Remember, so today we have learned about the recount text and specifications to the details and events. Okay? How do you feel today? Are you happy? Yes. Okay, thank you. So before we end our class today, Raihan, please lead us for prayers. Okay, my friends.
Apa lagi, Miss?
Before we end our lesson today, let's pray
together.
Okay,
Pray start.
Okay, thank you so much, Raihan. Thank you so much for you guys. Okay, see you in the next meeting. Okay, sambil ditempel. Okay?
Tempel lagi.